This 2022 Mazda CX-5 is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Mazda is powered by all-wheel drive, automatic transmission, regular unleaded i4 2.5L 152 engine, and has 43,098 miles. Drive home a reliable 2022 Mazda CX-5. Style, performance, and value await you. Header for an tire. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.